Hi, hello, welcome to Tinguru. This is Suresh. You're watching Tinguru YouTube channel. In this video, I will introduce Mr. Ajay Kumar. I don't know where he's from. Kerala, Rajasthan. Let's introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Ajay. I'm basically from Kerala.
Kerala. But he's
But,
roaming
yeah.
around the world.
Not in the world, but yeah, still. Right now, just roamed around India.
Yeah.
So my father was in Indian Army.
Yeah.
So we from my very childhood, I was studying and I was living in different parts of India.
Yeah.
Started from Jalandhar
Mm.
and then Pune, Pathankot,
Pathankot.
and Bikaner, Jaipur.
Andhra Pradesh?
No, I never been to Andhra
Okay.
Pradesh. So like that, few cities I've lived. So I have the experience of living in different regions of India. So I've lived in west, north, east, and south. I'm from south.
Yeah.
Like around all parts of India.
Okay, okay. Not South India. Andhra Pradesh, Tamil
No,
Nadu.
Andhra Pradesh. I've been to Tamil Nadu when I was small, but never been to Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah. You going to ship also, no?
Yeah,
Childhood.
yeah. When I was small, my uncle works in Merchant Navy.
Oh.
So he is in Shipping Corporation of India. So
Okay.
when I was small, his ship was in Cochin port.
Cochin, okay.
So it was near to my house, not very near. It's like 200 kilometers around.
Okay.
So my parents decided to go there and the ship was there for 10 days. So we lived inside the ship for 5 days.
How you know about this field?
Through my relatives, my
Relatives.
uncle
Army
was
defense.
the first.
Yeah.
My uncle was the first one. He was in Merchant Navy. So when I was small, I went there. So he's the person in our family having the most amount of money at that time. He
Rich
used to-
guy.
yeah,
Rich
like
guy.
when I was small, he used to buy cars. So
Okay.
every 6 months he used to come. He used to buy a new car, like second-hand car, and he used to sell it when he go back.
Okay.
Because at that time only he knew how to drive a car. Even my father, my other relatives, they didn't know to drive cars. So that car is just standing there for 6 months. So he think let me buy a car, keep it, drive it for 6 months, and then sell it.
Sell it.
Every year new
Enjoy.
model. Yeah. Enjoy. So yeah, that time I thought okay, from very childhood I was it's good now to have this money so
Luxury
much
life.
that you can live
Yeah.
it like this.
Luxury life.
So yeah, that's how took my first interest about Merchant Navy came. Then after growing up, many of my other relatives also joined Merchant Navy. So their life is also
Very good.
good.
Yeah, they enjoy their life. That's why you came here and you enjoy life. That future. Good.
Yeah, let's see.
Good. It will happen. You
Yeah.
are selected in a Swiss band.
Yeah.
You go, definitely. You are roaming around the world.
Yeah. I
Visited
hope
so
so.
many countries. Yeah?
Hope so. Now I've roamed around in India. So
Yeah.
let's see. I hope I can also roam around world.
World. That's good. That's good. Can you tell me about nearby your places, your home, which is
Home.
famous?
My home is in city of Calicut, which is now known as Kozhikode.
Kozhikode.
Kozhikode, yeah.
Kozhikode.
So it is called Kozhikode. So it is the Vasco da Gama when he invented
Vasco da Gama.
Vasco da Gama, na, who found out India.
India.
So that was the city he landed came first.
Okay, which
Yeah.
place?
Kozhikode, the Calicut. So
Calicut.
so there's that beach. There's a beach. So in that beach he came and he landed first. And he discovered India. And here in India that time it was spices were very famous now. So
Fish
black
fry.
pepper was
Black
the
pepper?
thing
Oh.
he used to take from Kerala. He used to transport. So that's how these things begin. Even shipping in India also began from there only.
Vasco da Gama.
Vasco da Gama started it
Yeah.
from taking the spices from India to their country. And the black pepper was one of the thing which was very famous at that time. Other than that, Vasco da Gama, other than that, there is not any historical places, but you can find some waterfalls, beaches, hill stations.
Hill stations.
Yeah, very near to the the Rahul Gandhi won the elections now, Wayanad. It is nearer to my city.
Okay.
So that is like Lonavala only, little not this big, but beautiful hill
Yeah,
station.
beautiful. Helicopters are roaming. You say your uncle nearby your house.
Yeah,
The
like
businessman,
there is,
magnet.
yeah,
Tell
there
me
is
about
no,
him.
actually there is rubber, you know, rubber, rubber
Yeah.
plant trees are there. So in Kerala there are a lot of rubber plants. So these
Okay.
rubber plants is very, they are very height. The height is very long,
Mm.
and you have to spray the, you know, there's pesticides and everything. You have to spray it on top of it. So you
Okay.
can't spray it from the bottom.
Mm.
So what you do is you call helicopters.
Helicopters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
An helicopter comes and they spray the, you know, everything, and that is there. I've seen that. But and other than that, like there is a guy,
Mm.
Yusuf Ali. His name is.
Mm.
He is in UAE.
UAE right now.
Yeah, he's living there. He's a
Rich guy.
citizen, I think,
Yeah.
of UAE. But he went from
Mm.
there, so he have a house there.
Mm.
So that is I've never seen, but people say that the helicopter goes.
Mm.
It's his helicopter which he regularly, you know, when he is in India, he is in his home, he takes it to roam around. That helicopter, it just goes
For
on.
breakfast, lunch, dinner, different places.
that yeah, maybe he can. He's very,
Yeah.
you know, Lulu Mall is a big thing. India's
Which
famous.
mall?
Lulu Mall.
Lulu Mall.
Yeah,
Okay. Famous.
yeah, it's Kerala's biggest mall,
Okay.
and India's second largest mall.
Mm.
And they are starting in different places of India also right now.
Good.
That is his.
What's your habits?
My habits.
Playing PUBG.
No.
Yeah. No.
Playing PUBG is like, yeah, sometimes I do,
Sometimes.
but it was more like in lockdown now.
Mm.
Nothing was there, like you are not meeting friends. So
Yeah.
through PUBG you can
PUBG, meet
your friends and
and
you
kill another.
yeah, you can just, you know, do things which you do, like in
Yeah.
room also na, we make fun of each other, we do things in so you're in your home, you can't do that things right now. So in PUBG you're like 4 players playing with each other, so you can just, you know, go and
Chit chat.
yeah, chit chat. You can, like, that time when you play, you just making fun of each other. We don't play it very seriously,
Okay.
play it for fun. But other than, like, I love photography,
Mm.
I love traveling.
You're traveling.
Yeah.
That's why you're roaming around the India.
I
Yeah.
love traveling.
I heard about in Kerala, so many people use coconut oil for cooking. Is it
Yeah,
true?
yeah. We have coconut trees in around our house. We collect it and we you know, dry it in the sun.
Okay.
Then we give it to a place where it is converted to oil, and that
Okay,
pure
machines.
oil we use for everything, for applying on hair, for
Mm.
cooking, for anything. Like the oil normally oil is
Yeah,
that.
okay.
But nowadays now people are facing health issues.
Yeah, due to that.
Yeah, so people are usually using
Groundnut.
other oils, like refined oil is there now, which is cholesterol, this and that.
But the coconut oil is best, no?
Yeah, it tastes good because there's a flavor of coconut
Yeah.
now.
And I also big fan of tradition,
Yeah.
like shari.
Mm.
Yeah, it's looking good,
It's
na?
good, yeah.
Yeah.
Kerala dress. I
Kerala
like.
dress,
Yeah,
it's
that
good.
white sari, golden border,
Yeah,
and that's really good.
it's good. Daily they were like that, na? Daily.
Yeah, few of like old people now. Earlier days, everyone used to wear.
No, it's not.
Now old people do wear. Like my
Yeah.
grandmother, they wear the white, you know, mund, and their white shirt.
Mm.
That's like light colors dresses. That's like their. But nowadays, young people don't. We have to wear it when we go to temple.
Modern.
So in Kerala, if you are going to temples, you have to wear that. Otherwise, with pant or with shorts, you can't enter.
Okay.
You have to wear that. You have to remove your shirt. Bare
Remove
body.
shirt?
Yeah, you can't go with shirt or banyan or anything. You have to be bare body. If you are a male, and if you are female, you have to wear sari or at least churidar or those types something.
Okay, remove your shirt.
Yeah, remove your shirt. You can't wear shirts. Anything on top, like you can just, if you want to.
Money cut
white,
too. Money cut.
There's that white thing now when
Yeah.
the same cloth you have like in
Lungi,
a
lungi.
triangle shape. You can make it in a triangle shape, and you have to cover it like this. So it will be like in triangle, going from here and here.
Okay, you wear?
Yeah, when you go to temples, you have to wear that. Otherwise, just remove your shirt. Wear nothing, bare body. That's the two options.
You have to show your chest.
Yeah. So I asked about it to a few of my relatives. They say that what is believed is कि women's beauty is in her face.
Okay.
So she shows her face to God, and men's beauty is in body.
Six pack body.
Yeah. So like that's how like men don't have beauty on face. So men's beauty is body. So we present our beauty to God. That's what.
Yeah, good tradition. Famous Kathakali. I think.
Yeah, Kathakali is
Kathakali.
famous,
Yeah.
yeah.
Like this.
I've never seen it. My parents have once seen it. I never
Yeah.
been to anything like that.
You play?
No. I've not even seen. I've heard it's very boring.
Boring.
You have to understand everything which is going on. So
Like
they,
this, ding, ding.
yeah, they are trying to tell a story.
Yeah.
But what happens is we don't understand now. We don't know the mudras. They do this. They mean something,
Yeah.
but we don't know that. So
In Kerala also some techniques. Ayurveda.
yeah, Ayurveda is very
Very
famous.
famous. So many people came to Kerala to for the medicine Ayurveda.
Yeah. Ayurveda is very famous. There is one Kottakkal Ayurvedic Shala, which is
Where-
like the biggest.
Exact location?
I have I don't know the exact location. It is very nearer to my city.
District?
I'm not even sure because I've never lived there.
Because
now,
you
so-
are not in Kerala.
Yeah, I was
Yeah,
never
I
lived in
know.
Kerala, so that's why I'm not very familiar with the city names. But that particular place is very famous. Like it's a big like hospital, multi-specialty
Ayurveda.
hospital, Ayurveda, completely based on Ayurveda.
Good. And famous food?
Famous food basically we other than the dosa and idli, which is famous all in south, we have put. Put is made with steam. It's rice powder, which is filled in a cylinder type thing
Okay.
and kept on one thing. So the steam comes and it cooks
Both
due to steam.
like bamboo.
like bamboo. Yeah.
Bamboo. Okay.
So it is in cylindrical shape, small pieces. You can eat with pea curry and some curries you can make,
Okay.
and again cover it with coconut.
Yeah.
On
Coconut.
top, yeah, every layer coconut, like this much
Yeah.
rice powder, then coconut, then rice powder, coconut.
Coconut.
Like that you cover.
Coconut.
Yeah, it's good, it's tasty.
Yeah.
Other than there, especially non-veg is very prevalent. Like beef is very, very famous. I don't eat, but beef, yeah, like in Kerala, everyone love beef.
Okay.
Like if you go to a hotel,
Beef biryani.
yeah, if you see the chicken biryani ratio and beef biryani ratio, beef
Equal.
biryani is very, yeah.
Okay. And your favorite food?
My favorite food is
Pizza?
no. You know Kerala paratha is there.
Kerala paratha?
Yeah.
Oh.
So it's made also. If you see now how it is made, you will enjoy that. They take a big sheet. A big sheet means it will be like this big, and they'll just throw it like this, and then
Oh.
and it just
Paratha.
expands,
Okay.
and they cut it in
Small pieces.
like this, a thread, this thread, and they roll it then like this. So it will like chakri, like jalebi types, like
Jalebi.
this, and they do this, and then they make it bigger. So
Oh.
it is like this kind of, and
Paratha
it's a
mix.
big paratha.
Big paratha.
Maida basically, it's maida,
Okay.
and with chicken curry, it tastes amazing. It's not very healthy, but it's very tasty.
Any love stories?
Yeah, I had few love stories,
Okay.
but it was like in college.
Forgot about that. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
you
like,
know, we have one guy.
yeah, our roommate is very.
Yeah, very
Famous.
famous guy. Huh? We will introduce him. Okay.
We'll also introduce him. And
Yeah. Okay. Okay. And what are your future goal?
Future goals, I love to travel.
You love to?
Travel.
Okay. Love to know that.
No, I love to travel.
Okay.
So if respective of job, so that's why I took a job which is connected
Highest
to
paying
travel.
salary.
Yeah. And then
Enjoying life.
interestingly, so I get to travel, I get to earn money,
Yeah.
and I
How
go.
much money you expected from this?
Like current scenario, it is like
4 lakhs per month?
Yeah, 4 to 5 lakhs per month. That's
Yeah,
what
that's what.
I see. I
Basic
hope.
salary.
Yeah. I hope in
No,
future.
no.
No, in future we like get more hikes, more increase and
Yeah.
go to 10 lakh.
10 lakhs per month. It will happen. Nothing to worry. As
So-
a ETO electrotechnical officer, we do that. We have.
Yeah.
What do you do with that money?
Mm, from the remaining 6 months, I really want to make. First of all, I want to travel. Like other than this traveling, I want to travel with my family. And initially, when I like right now, when I start going, when I start sailing, I want to travel with my. I want to travel with my friends. I want to travel solo. But when like afterwards, I want to take my parents to different situations, different cities in the world,
Yeah.
because they have made me travel all India.
Yeah.
They gave me the opportunity to
Yeah,
live
yeah.
in every place. So I want to give them the opportunity to travel everywhere.
Around the world.
And similarly, I want to travel around the world.
Yeah.
And when I get married, I
You
want.
obviously.
हाँ,
right.
so that will be there. And other than that, just that, like, I just want to make my like the living everything now, the standards of living, everything.
Expand.
We have to increase it. So my family, like my grandfather increased it. My father also increased
All
it.
are
So
different.
I want to like increase it more. So that's what my aim is.
Rich guy. Rich guy.
Not rich, but yeah, like they have done their part. That's why.
In your life, you something lack.
Hmm?
If you feel any something lack,
Like, okay.
any, nothing.
Nothing as such, like nothing from that side. Even because of myself, I
Everything
have,
fulfilled by your father.
yeah, like because of myself, what to say, like mistakes. I have done many things which made me like lose many opportunities, lose many things, but not from my parents' side or anything.
Okay. Any good happiest moment in your
My happiest moment. First thing was when I cleared all my by BTech.
life?
That was like even not only me, my parents, everyone, because during my engineering I was having a lot of backs and KTs, whatever it is called, and I was getting failed again and again. Then I was clearing it, and my father never thought that I would be able to complete my engineering in 4 years. He thought he'll take 5-6 years
Yes.
and he'll
Go with the flow.
yeah. So my father was very sure
Yeah.
that he'll take more years. But after like when I by the time I reached 4th year, I had backs. But in 4th year, suddenly I cleared everything. So it was very unexpected for me, my parents, and everyone. Even though I worked really hard, I studied and everything. Till time I was not very into studies and all. But then I started studying writing, and then I cleared everything. And my parents were very happy. I was very happy that finally I was able to do that, which was feeling like impossible.
Yeah.
Second, when I got selected in here, it
Everything
was,
changed.
Yeah, like it was very
Fatal.
happy.
Yeah, fatal change. And I want to know about your Malayalam. Can
My
you say?
Malayalam is good. I can speak Malayalam, but I can't write and read.
Speak anything and can translate into English.
ഓക്കെ എൻ്റെ പേര് അജയ്, ഞാൻ കേരളത്തിൽ നിന്ന് വരുന്നു.
Yeah, speak loudly. Yeah.
എൻ്റെ പേര് അജയ്, ഞാൻ കേരളത്തിൽ നിന്ന് വരുന്നു. എനിക്കങ്ങനെ മലയാളം എഴുതാനും വായിക്കാനൊന്നും അറിയില്ല, പക്ഷെ പറയാൻ കുഴപ്പമില്ലാതെ അറിയാം. കാരണം ഞാൻ വീട്ടിലെല്ലാം വീട്ടിൽ അച്ഛനോടും അമ്മേനോടെല്ലാം പറയുന്നത്. So I said that my name is Ajay and I'm from Kerala. I know Malayalam to speak, but I don't know to read and write. And I know this language because I usually speak to my parents in Malayalam only. So that's why I know Malayalam how to speak, but I never had any need of reading and writing, so I completely forgot everything.
Okay. Because you were traveling.
Yeah, I was traveling, and 1 year I lived in Kerala, and it was very difficult for me because in Kerala, when you go out, everything is written in Malayalam. Even if you want to bus board, you can't read that. So it's very difficult for me to take buses when I was,
Childhood.
and after 12th, 1 year I joined engineering college in Kerala. So that time, but it didn't work out because the college was not very good. So I have to leave it. and go to Rajasthan again.
Yeah. Good. Any difficulty in Rajasthan?
Rajasthan, yeah. Difficulties means, first of all, that's the first time I was living alone. So all the from the like very childhood and in my home also, we all are we are given every kind of facilities. Parents cook for good food. We are giving good pay. You don't have to adjust in anything. You want it, you can say to your parents and you will get it. But after reaching hostel, you have problems. You have to share your rooms. You have to manage your money because your parents give you 1,000, 2,000 rupees and limited rupees. Then you have to spend it on everything you want to. So that was a problem. And yeah, that was the big problem I had. Like that's the only difficulty I faced. Other than that, it was very hot. I used to live in a non-cooling, non-AC room, Rajasthan was very
hot.
Like 40 degrees was very normal during summers. It was very hot, so we have to adjust. I used to take bath 3 times, 4 times a day.
You have to adjust.
Yeah. But yeah, I learned a lot there, adjusting to situations, managing money.
Yeah, good. Any suggestion to our viewers?
Suggestions
In
like,
future, like going to this field, like.
I would say just if you whatever place you are, whatever you're doing in your life right now, just continue doing that. And if you dream something, just work for it. Because I have seen, I was in engineering college, I was continuously getting back. I was not performing very well. I was very kind of a failure guy, top 10, bottom 10. You will take, I'll always be there. But I just worked by myself. I believed, my father believed in me, I believed in myself, and I was able to clear the thing which I thought is impossible. I cleared it, my engineering in first time. I did IT job for 6 months, and in that job I cleared this Great Eastern Merchant Navy. I got into this. After coming here, I cleared the C-SPAN interviews and everything. After that, I now exams are here. We have finished our exams. That's passed. Everything done. But I didn't if you asked 1 year before this, Ajay, you ask, okay, you can do these things in 1 year. I would say no, never. I can't. But
it will happen.
Yeah, it will happen. You just go with the flow. That's what we in our room we say, just go with the flow.
Akshay, Ajay, okay.
We always say just go with the flow. So that's very true for all of us. We are just going with the flow, but work hard. Just do your work. Just work hard, and
worship your work.
Yeah,
that's good.
Anything is achievable, and you will reach at some good point in your life if you really believe and do.
Okay. Thank you, Ajay. Thank you so much for your interview. Okay, guys, if you want any more info from Ajay, just comment below. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Ajay.
Thank you for having me.